Guys, we are going for hunting, and then we got one bird. All right, we made a trap. All right, so I'll show you guys. So here's the bird, and then we go. Whoa, it's nice. So please comment. What type of birds is this? All right, so I'm moving on another spot. So yeah, guys, let's go. Mist. It's all the mist. Okay, let's go to another spot. Let's go. Guys, we got one again. Alright. So, this bird. Okay, guys, so we got one again. Guys, we're gonna make one crab again in here with this bamboo larva. So hope we get it. For crapping, we don't
make it.
brought any guns, only this crapping. Well, we'll see. Guys, we're going on another spot, so let's go. Okay, guys, so we got one again. Let's take out. We're gonna put one more crab over here, so let's go. Guys, kita payaro. Oh, guys, itya alag jaga te jase. Let's go. Guys, we got two, and then they're still alive. Okay, let's go, guys. Guys, we got this much. Alright, so please comment what type of birds these are. So thank you for watching, and then see you to the next video.